Hello and welcome to The Freedom Philosophy. I am the host and creator of this fabulous 4-week intensive experience that will help you cultivate the core fiber of an entrepreneur so that you can stay in the game until you get the results that you're looking for. So this is what I want to ask you since you've arrived here. What if you could launch your ideas with more ease, vision, and likelihood of success? What if you could start a business on the side and build momentum before you quit the 9-to-5? What if you could use failure as a tool to shape the future? And what if you could launch your ideas without the pain, drama, and burnout commonly associated with starting up? Now, if you could do all those things, the possibilities would be endless. And so that is what the Freedom Philosophy is all about. It's the first of its kind pre-business strategy that sets you up for success before you quit the 9-to-5 and after you launch your ideas. Now, I created this step-by-step systematic course for fledgling and future entrepreneurs like me who don't want to sacrifice their personal freedom or compromise their mental and emotional health just to start a business, yet alone risk the spiritual and financial bankruptcy that often comes hand in hand with launching your ideas into the world, especially before you put in place the building blocks of a freedom life, which I think is the most important thing to do before and while you're growing your business. Now, so the Freedom Philosophy is about putting your personal freedom at the epicenter of your life and work and firing on all cylinders, which is kind of a phrase used in the yogi world, which basically means that you are firing on top form physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually as often and as full as you can. Now, I created the Freedom Philosophy classes because when I started my business back in 2014, I burnt out really quickly. Like within the first 3 months, I was knackered. I was first of all flustered by the business building aspects and especially the sales and marketing. But I was also working 24/7 and it was having a massive negative impact on my personal relationship. I was completely flustered. I felt like I was going crazy and I really had just to go back to the basics. And I'm not talking about going back to the basics of business, which are fascinating and relatively simple to integrate and learn over time. But I had to go back to building a much more robust foundation for my life and work. I had to develop 4 things. The first was conscious leadership. The second was personal sovereignty. The third was a failure-proof mindset. And the fourth was focused ambition. Now, this is the Freedom Philosophy framework, and it's all about cultivating the core fiber of an entrepreneur, the mindset of an entrepreneur, so that you can keep launching your ideas over and over and over again over the long haul. Now, it's also about showing up as the leader in your life and your work. It's about living and working with passion, purpose, and vision, with a driving force so powerful that nothing will stop you. It's for people who want to live and work on their own terms, okay? It's for people who want to take control of their own direction. It's for people who want to launch their ideas with more ease, vision, and likelihood of success. So whether you're still in the 9-to-5, or you've already started up and you are feeling burnt out, broke, and effing over it, this course is for you. The Freedom Philosophy is absolutely for you. It's 100% online so that you can access it on whatever device you want, whenever you want. There are 20 core lessons split over 4 core modules. It's repeatable, it's systematic, it's step by step. And it's everything really you need to build a freedom life and a business that sustains it while you launch your ideas and while you explore your passions, your curiosities, and your projects. So it's literally, at its core, it is pre-business strategy. It's the foundation upon which you and your ideas can thrive. So you can sign up immediately on this page to receive 3 free lessons. So there's nothing like test driving the goods before you buy, is there? So go ahead and do that now on this page, and I will see you on the inside.